Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Emrita Hasana is a member of government from affirmative teams. I disagree with the opposition leader about Indonesia is not yet ready to conduct the technology-enabled election. And then, I disagree with the deputy leader of opposition regarding e-voting performance that is considered unsafe has the potential to have a very large negative impact. Because Indonesia has a great opportunity to introduce electronic voting, which will improve the quality of democracy in this country. As my partner argument, the fact from reducing voter error and voting fraud, which often result in invalid votes in election. This can also increase the effectiveness and efficiency of the election process. Based on how it is implemented, we can use two types of e-voting. The first is the regular e-voting system, which is carried out by visiting the polling place. In this system, the voter must be identified by using a voter identification card. And the second, the remote voting system, which is done based on remote technology. In this system, voters can vote using computer in remote locations such as their homes or location far from polling station. To be able to vote, they use computers and a network internet connection is remote systems. Voters can vote at regular interview, usually office hours. They can also vote from other countries. If in a regular voting systems, voter must be verified by an officer at a polling station. In remote e-voting, voters only need to verify through the e-voting application. E-voting in election can increase the value of democracy in Indonesia, especially through expanding public participation and increasing the effectiveness and efficiency of the election process. The voting methods also allow for the recapitulation of the results directly, thereby shortening to voting countries' time. In this voting system, official scanning and direct electronic recording (GRE) can all be used of electronic voting. Moreover, the 2024 election is very complex, namely the election simultaneously president, member of the DPR, member of the Regional Representative Council, member of the Provincial Direct and City DPRD, involving 204,870,222 people in 28 provinces, 514 regencies and cities, 70,277 regencies, and 3,771 villages. Involving 18 national political parties and 6 local ethnic parties, you can imagine how complex our elections are. It's very complex. As explained by the Prime Minister, the e-voting concept can facilitate the exclusion of effective and efficient direct election and reduce the likelihood of value counting. Of vote counting manipulation. Indonesia should study the use of e-voting in countries that have routinely and successfully held elections using electronic systems, particularly those based on internet voting. Several countries, including France, the Netherlands, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States, have experimented with internet voting over the last decade. Estonia, a former Soviet republic on the Baltic Sea and now a full member of the European Union, is the country with the fastest growing use of internet voting. Since 2005, Estonia has used voting, which has proven to be more sensible, flexible, and time-saving, potentially leading to a significant increase of voter turnout. This is very reasonable When compared the traditional paper-based voting, which requires a person to travel to a polling station and takes approximately 44 minutes, whereas polling only takes 6 minutes. Estonia is the only country that has used internet voting consistently and without interruption in essential at all levels. There have been two significant attacks on the system on protest or opposition to the implementation of e-voting in more than 15 years, which is an interesting fact given that in other countries, religious and political groups are actively advocating for a moratorium on e-voting. Since 2000, internet access has been recognized as a fundamental human right in Estonian laws. During the 2005 national election, 9,317 Estonia voted online, roughly 1.95% of all voters. Then, in 2007, Estonia used internet-based voting for the second time in their national parliamentary election, with 30,275 people voting online, 5.4% of all voters. Internet voting has always been available as a remote voting option, allowing voters to cast votes from convenient location, including abroad. It is from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.